first preparations. You need a coffee, then add coconut oil, or you can add olive oil also, and you need to add some rose water and then mix it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So friends, over here I'm wiping off my lipstick or a lip gloss first of all, and then start doing our tutorial. So let's see how I mixed all the ingredients as lip scrub. I'm using a cotton bud over here, and you can also use it with your fingers also. So over here I'm applying a scrubbing properly. Now properly you need to do at least 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub your lips properly and then you will wipe off. After scrubbing 5 minutes you will see a best result. Your lips become soft and so light color, and you can ready to apply your any lipstick or a lip gloss for a Korean or any kind of a very festive or occasionally. So now over here I am applying a lip balm. You can also apply a lip balm, and then I am applying a lip liner. You can choose any light color or whatever you have. Then you have to apply a red color lipstick. If you don't have a red color lipstick, then you can apply a pink color lipstick or a lip tint. So over here I am applying a lip tint also. I'm just skipping my lip gloss. Then after that I am just doing my highlighting part. You can apply like highlighter or a concealer, and after that you can apply a lip gloss, and now see the best result. So friends, आप लोगों को कोरियन लुक वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और मीटिंग में नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में। बाय।